Ready to make your home more beautiful and functional? These clever Amazon finds add style, improve organization, and help every room feel more practical without sacrificing looks. Whether you're refreshing your space or adding smart everyday upgrades, there's something here you'll actually use. All products are linked in the description below. Watching water move has a way of melting stress away, and that's exactly what this wall panel delivers. Bubbles rise gently through acrylic chambers, while colorful LED lights shift beneath them, creating a calming glow for any room. You get a choice of 16 colors and 4 lighting effects, all controlled from the remote, so you can match the mood to the moment. It's especially soothing for kids' rooms or quiet spaces meant for unwinding. Mounting it takes under 5 minutes. Just attach it to the wall, fill it with water, plug it in, and you're set. The sleek, minimal design blends into nearly any decor style. It's a simple way to bring calm, movement, and color into your space. Some furniture just makes a room feel pulled together, and this table does exactly that. Its faux marble top brings rich texture and a luxurious look, while black stainless steel legs add a sleek, modern contrast underneath. Don't worry about spills or hot mugs either. The surface resists heat, scratches, and stains, so it stays looking sharp with minimal effort. Sturdy metal legs keep everything stable, supporting daily use without wobbling. Stretching over 51 inches wide, it gives you plenty of surface space for drinks, books, or decor. Assembly is refreshingly simple too. It ships in 2 pieces, and you just connect the top to the legs. No complicated instructions involved. It's understated elegance, ready in minutes. Healthy fish need oxygen, and this little disc delivers it in style. Drop it to the bottom of your tank, and it releases a steady stream of fine, dense bubbles, boosting oxygen levels so your fish and plants can thrive. It's made from sintered mineral material, completely safe for aquatic life, whether you've got fish, shrimp, or growing roots. 3 suction cups grip the bottom of your tank securely, so it won't drift or float around once it's in place. At just over 4 inches wide, it fits easily into aquariums, ponds, or hydroponic reservoirs. Cleaning is simple too. Just give it a scrub every few weeks to keep the bubbles flowing strong. Small device, big impact for your underwater world. There's something almost magical about smoke that flows downward instead of up, and that's exactly what this ceramic burner creates. Light an incense cone inside and watch smoke cascade down like a tiny waterfall, settling into a calm, misty pool around the base. It works with both cones and sticks, giving you flexibility depending on the mood you're after. Each cone burns for about 10 minutes, filling your space with soft floral and woody scents. You get 120 cones and 30 sticks included, so you're set for months of use. Handcrafted from ceramic, it brings a peaceful, almost mysterious atmosphere to any room, perfect for meditation, yoga, or simply unwinding after a long day. Growing tomatoes shouldn't be a hassle, and this planter takes the guesswork out of it. Wheels underneath let you roll it wherever the sunlight is best, chasing the perfect temperature throughout the day. A built-in reservoir holds enough water to keep your plants hydrated for up to 10 days on a single fill, so vacations and busy weeks won't leave your garden thirsty. A water level indicator shows you exactly how much is left, and a top inlet makes refilling simple without disturbing the soil. A sturdy metal trellis supports climbing vines far better than flimsy plastic ever could. Ventilation holes keep air flowing to the roots, supporting healthier growth. It's everything your tomatoes need, all in one place. Bath time anxiety just met its match. This box lets your pet dry off without you holding a noisy dryer or chasing them around the house. Step inside, and gentle airflow rises from the bottom up, reaching the belly, legs, and paw pads that towels usually miss. It runs at just 34 decibels, quiet enough that nervous cats and sensitive dogs can relax, lie down, or even doze off while drying. Smart temperature control keeps things steady and warm, never too hot, monitoring constantly to keep your pet comfortable. A spacious interior fits medium dogs comfortably, with side windows so you can check in anytime. Built-in fur collection means less cleanup for you afterward. It's grooming made calm for everyone. That ugly breaker box on your wall doesn't have to stay an eyesore. This decorative cover hangs right over it, transforming a bulky electrical panel into a beautiful piece of wall art. A vivid mountain scene printed on durable crystal film adds real charm to your living room or office, blending right in with your existing decor. At nearly 20 by 28 inches, it's sized to cover most standard panels completely while staying compact enough not to overwhelm the wall. Installation is simple too, with traceless nails that won't damage your walls. Beyond looks, it also shields your panel from dust, moisture, and everyday wear. It's an easy way to turn a necessary eyesore into something you'll actually want on display. Keeping a busy household organized just got a whole lot easier. This touchscreen calendar puts everyone's schedule, chores, and reminders right on one shared display, so nothing slips through the cracks. The high-definition screen makes everything easy to read and simple to update with just a tap. Connected over Wi-Fi, you can send photos or messages to the screen instantly from anywhere, letting family members stay connected even when they're apart. Whether it's tracking school events, splitting up chores, or coordinating dinner plans, everyone can see what's happening at a glance. It's an easy way to bring structure to a hectic home, keeping everyone on the same page without the back and forth of texts and sticky notes. Cleaning hard floors has never felt this effortless. With a handle just 1.5 inches thin, this vacuum fits naturally in your hand, gliding in every direction without strain. 4 conical brush bars lift and strip away long hair, so it gets sucked up cleanly instead of tangling around the brush like usual. 2 angled lights shine across your floors, revealing dust you'd otherwise never notice, so nothing gets left behind. At under 4 pounds, it's light enough to swivel around furniture legs and flatten down to slide right under your sofa. Powerful suction stays strong from start to finish, never losing steam halfway through. It's a precise, lightweight tool built to make hard floor cleaning quick and thorough. This table is really 2 devices in one. A massive 32-inch touchscreen sits on top, sharp and ultra-responsive, ready for games, movies, or apps. Need to bring it elsewhere? Just detach the screen and carry it off as a portable tablet. No separate device required. Inside, plenty of memory and processing power keep everything running smoothly, so apps load fast and multitasking never lags. Multiple people can touch and interact with the screen at the same time, making it perfect for family game nights or group brainstorming. A sturdy steel frame supports up to 330 pounds, with rounded edges that keep things safe for kids. Connect over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to stream content or link up other devices easily. Kids will lose their minds over this one. This giant inflatable bubble dome is a 10-foot wide see-through play palace that pops up in your backyard in just 5 minutes. A 600-watt blower keeps it fully inflated the whole time, so the fun never deflates mid-party. Kids can crawl through the tunnel, bounce around inside, and burn off endless energy, while you actually get to enjoy the party too. It comes with a repair kit and 100 balloons, deflates flat for easy storage, and works just as well for birthday parties, Christmas gatherings, or any excuse to make the kids ridiculously happy. Bring calm and elegance to any space with this incense holder. The upside-down design keeps ash contained in the glass catcher, so your table stays clean and your room fills with soothing aromas. A sturdy wooden base and brass supports give it a stylish, modern look while keeping it durable. It comes with 30 incense sticks, letting you start your relaxing ritual right away. Simple to clean and visually striking, It's decor that smells as good as it looks. Turn your living room into a modern lounge with this 6-seater curved sectional sofa. Its sweeping corduroy upholstery is soft, plush, and irresistibly cozy. The modular design lets you create endless layouts, a U-shape for gatherings, or a curved nook for quiet evenings. Arrives fully assembled so you can sink into comfort immediately. Included designer pillows add extra support and style, making this sofa both chic and inviting. Turn any wall into a calming escape. This bubble wall fountain fills your space with moving bubbles and 16 LED colors, creating a soothing, sensory experience. 4 lighting effects let you set the mood, from gentle shimmer to dynamic glow. It mounts easily in minutes, blends with any decor, and can transform a living room, bedroom, or office into a peaceful retreat. Use the remote to control lights and bubbles without leaving your seat. Sometimes the smallest things make the biggest impact. This thinker-style sculpture brings a calm, reflective vibe to any desk or shelf. The abstract design instantly draws your attention and makes you pause for a second. Made from a sandstone and resin blend, it has a solid feel while still looking artistic and light. Its hollow, modern shape adds personality without overwhelming your space. Perfect for your office, bookshelf, or anywhere you want a touch of quiet creativity. Your mirror just became a design statement. This irregular LED mirror adds a bold, modern touch that instantly stands out on any wall. The built-in lighting lets you switch between warm, natural, and bright tones with a simple touch. It stays crystal clear with an anti-fog feature, so no more wiping after a hot shower. Clean, frameless, and glowing, it turns your daily routine into something a little more elevated. Your packages shouldn't sit outside like they're waiting to be taken. This all-in-one delivery box turns your porch into a secure drop zone. It comes fully assembled, so you just place it and start using it right away. Built from a single heavy steel shell, there are no weak points for anyone to pry open. It's basically a fortress for your doorstep deliveries. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.